Say goodbye to the heat without spending much money with this homemade air conditioner that you can make in just 5 minutes. Get a small fan and remove the stand from the fan body. Now get a styrofoam cooler and remove the side handles. Next, take three 2.5-inch PVC elbows and place them on the lid side by side. These will serve as the air outlets. Attach 3 short pieces of PVC pipe to the bottom of the elbows. This will help secure them better to the cooler. Using a pen, trace where you will place them. This will allow you to cut holes of the correct size. Now, using a utility knife or a heated object, carefully cut out the holes where you made the markings. Then insert the PVC elbows into the 3 holes. Next, place the fan head upside down on the lid and trace around it the same way you did with the PVC elbows. Once that is done, remove the fan's front grill and cut out the section you traced on the lid. This large opening is important and you'll soon see why. Also make 2 small holes on the sides. Now place the lid back on the cooler, making sure everything fits properly. If it fits perfectly, remove the lid and fill the cooler with plenty of ice. To make it even more powerful and longer lasting, you can add salt, although this is optional. Put the lid back on the cooler and place the fan body over the grill opening. Use plastic zip ties on both sides to secure it in place, trimming off any excess with scissors. And that's it. Once you turn it on, you'll immediately feel it start cooling the room. With temperatures as low as 14 degrees Celsius, it's ideal for those hot summer days. If you found this useful, save it for later when you need it.